A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. In this sum, we are dealing with a fraction, and you know a fraction has got two parts. It has got the numerator and over the denominator. In this sum, we will take the numerator as x and the denominator as y. Hence, our fraction becomes x over y. So this is our fraction, x over y. So let's go ahead and write down. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Therefore, the fraction will be x over y. In the first case, they said if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. So let's do that. So our fraction was x over y, and we need to add 2 to the numerator, that's what we do, and 2 to the denominator, that's what they've instructed. 2 to the numerator and denominator. It becomes 9 by 11. So this is equal to 9 by 11. This is one equation. Now in the second part, case 2, we have the fraction x over y. And now what is done here? Here 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator. So I'm adding 3 to the numerator and 3 to the denominator. And now the fraction becomes 5 by 6. So this is 5 by 6. This is my second equation, and this was my first equation. Now let's just deal with these. Like, let's take up the second one here. I'm going to cross multiply, so I get 6x plus 3 equal to 5y plus 3. I think you know what I've done. I've cross multiplied. This is here and this is here. So I open the bracket. 6 into x is 6x. I'm going to do 6 into x and 6 into 3. So 6 into x will be 6x, 6 into 3 is 18, and now here I'm going to do 5 and this. So here we'll have 5y plus 15. We put all the x and y terms together. This is the x term, this is the y term. 6x minus 5y, and the non-xy terms will put it together. So 15 minus 18. 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. This is a same equation 2. We have just rearranged it. Now we'll get on to the next one. Here we have the first equation was x plus y over y plus 2 equal to 9 by 11. Now this 2 we cross, so we'll multiply this like this and this here. So we have now got 11 x plus y. So this was x plus 2, and on the other side we have 9 y plus 2. We'll open the bracket. 11x, 11 into 2, 22, 9y, 9 into 2, 18. Put x and y together. This is the x term, y term, put them together. Y equal to, these are the non-x and y terms, so 18 minus 22, that is minus 4. So my next equation, I'll write it out here only, 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. This is equation 1. Now we'll take up these equations, substitute one into the other. So these are my two equations. So from the first one we will find the value of x. This is substitution method we are doing. So we are doing x minus 4 plus 5y over 11. Now this value of x we are going to substitute this from equation 1, we will substitute on equation 2. So for 6, for x here, this x, I'm going to put this value, that is minus 4 plus 9y over 11, and then I proceed minus 5y equal to minus 3. Now when I open the bracket, 6 into 4 minus 24, so here I have minus 24, and 6 into 9 is plus 54y over 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. Now I know my LCM, this will be over 1 here, so my LCM will be 11 and 1 will be 11. To find LCM, this is into 1, so there's no problem, into 1. But here, however, this should be into 11, right? So this also should be into 11. So I have minus 24 plus 54y, 5 into 11, 55y, equal to minus 3. Now we solve further. 24 plus 54y minus 55y. Now the 11 will go up here, minus 3 into 11. So minus 24. I can put these two together now. 54 minus 55, and that would be minus y. So you've got to erase this. So here I have minus 1y equal to minus 33. So minus 1y will be minus 33 plus 24. Minus 1y will be minus 9, and your y will be 9. So we've got the value of y. To find the value of x, we go back here. We know our x is minus 4 by 9y over 11. But now we already know this y. This y we got from here, this one. So we put the value of y. So we have x equal to minus 4 plus 9. And for the y, I will put 9 here. So we have x equal to minus 4 plus 81 over 11. So x is 77 over 11, which is 7. So remember, our fraction was x over y. Our fraction was x over y. Now we found our x is 7 here, and our y is 9. So our fraction now is 7 by 9. That is the answer. This is the answer, 7 by 9. We found x and y separately. So x was the denominator, y was the numerator. So x was 7 and y was 9.